All right, here's some more of our study guide. So now we're doing translations. Now we all know that translations just mean to slide. I think these are pretty easy. So number 4 says translation 1 unit up. That means that every point is going to go up 1 place. So the W will move to there. The V will move to there. The X will move to there. And the Y will move to there. Then we just connect our dots. For number 5, I'm going to change what we're looking for to make it a little more like our test. So we're going to change the X and the Y. We're going to go X minus 1 Y. What that means is on the x-axis, so going across, we're going to go minus 1. The y is going to stay the same. So this u has got to back up 1, minus 1 on the x-axis. The t has got to back up 1. And the v has got to back up 1. So that is what a translation looks like when it's x minus 1 and the y stays the same. Okay, there are 2 different ways to do number 6. I went ahead and wrote the coordinates for the original picture on this side. The first way is to just straight up count and draw it onto the board and then write your new coordinates down. So x is plus 4. So if I start with my s, I got to go over 4. Y is plus 3, up 3. That would be my new s. Do the same thing for the t. Over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, because the directions say plus 4, up 3. There's my new t. The r, I got to go over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 3, 1, 2, 3. There's my new r. And my new u, over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 3, 1, 2, 3. There's my new u. Connect all my lines. And then you could just write those coordinates down. That's the first way to do it. The second way to do it is to use math. So it says the x is plus 4, the y is plus 3. So plus 4 plus 3. My new coordinates, negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. 0 plus 3 is 3. That's your new point. T, same thing, plus 4 plus 3. My new t, negative 4 plus 4 is a 0. 0 plus 3 is a 3. And you can see by our picture, that's where our t is, 0, 3. Same thing here, plus 4 plus 3. Our new r would be 0, 0. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Plus 4 plus 3. Our new u is 2. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. So you can move the dots, draw the picture, and then figure out where the coordinates are, or you can write your original coordinates and follow the directions for whatever it says. Plus 4 plus 3, it could say plus 2 minus 1, but just do the math. We need to write the rule for this one. It's a transformation. You can tell it's been a slide. So our first picture is this one. Oh gosh, sorry. Our first picture is this one right here. This is the original. I can tell that because these letters don't have the little apostrophe on them. Okay, so That means I'm gonna slide. I'm gonna use the W because that'll just be easy. So my W is right here. So this new W is way down here. So first you go to the left or right. Obviously we go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go 4 to the left, and then we got to go down. 1, 2. Down 2. And that is a translation. So that's how you write the rule. Translation, left 4, down 2. Just be sure you start with the original one and go to the new one.